Hey, what's up?
What does grabba mean to you, Hannah?
It means love. Projektarbeit für reale Unternehmen.
Say that again.
I want to see it first.
Hey, what about if you try my glasses for this? These are dirty.
She can't see with them anyway.
That's okay. Try my glasses. These are golden.
Sailor Moon 2016.
Let me see.
Whoa!
Underneath.
Even if it makes it in your own language. Seriously?
Yes! I want to try them, can
Do
I?
I need something?
No,
Should
just like-
should we draw something on the...
What could we do?
Yeah, like this.
But
Go
that's-
closer. No.